Friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel ASFN. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed in the last trading session that was on 11th of March Friday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 14th of March Monday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, Germany, France and UK all have closed in red. In fact, China is the only country with indices trading in green. If we talk about US also closed in red. Nasdaq was down by 2%, S&P 500 by 1.3% and Dow Jones by 0.69%. If we look at the FIDI data of 11th March, FIs were net sellers. They have sold more than 2,263 crores and DIs were net buyers of 1,686 crores. So as of now, things are looking bleak because SGX Nifty is showing a gap down of around 150 points. 16,480 is the point where SGX Nifty closed in the last trading session. If we open gap down, then the first support for the market would be 16,450. The second would be 16,400. In fact, I would say consider 16,400 as a support rather than 16,450 to 480. So 16,400 would be the first support. Second would be 16,300 to 330, and the third would be 16,250 to 270. If this is broken, then we can slide down up to the level of 16,200 and 16,100. If we open gap down and start moving upwards, then the first resistance for the market would be 16,620. Second would be 16,740 to 750, and the third would be 16,820 to 830. These are the three resistances for tomorrow. If we talk about the option chain levels, option chain is saying that it looks slightly weak as of now because major amount of call writing is happening at 16,800, as well as we can see good amount of call writers are also present at 16,700 strike. So of course these call writers will push the market down. If we talk about the put writing zone, good amount of put writers are accumulating at 16,500 zone. 42,000 contracts have been written, and after that we can see good amount of call writing happening at 16,300 and 16,200. So these are the levels on the option chain. If you go to the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty was more or less trading in the range in the last trading session. If we open gap down tomorrow, the first support for the Bank Nifty would be 34,100 to 34,120. The second would be 34,000, in fact 33,980 to 34,000. This is a 20-point range for the Bank Nifty, and then we can, if this is broken, then we can move to the next psychological level, which is 33,500. However, this target is quite big, but we can see a big move below 34,000. If we go up, then the first resistance for the market would be 34,500. Second would be 34,700 to 750. Third would be 34,850 to 34,900. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. If you go to the option chain of Bank Nifty, we are at the strike price of 34,500, where equal amount of call writers or put writers are fighting to save their positions. If we talk about the put writers, strong amount of put writing is happening at 34,000 zone, and after that 33,500. If we talk about the call writing zone, good amount of call writers are active at 35,000 strike price. 49,000 contracts have been written, and after that I can see good amount of call writing happening at 38,500. So these are the levels on option chain for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see how we open gap up or gap down tomorrow and how market behaves. Focus on the price action and trade less. That's all for today's video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendation, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.